So one of our core values is being passionate and being passionate about food. Equipment is such an important part of our business, both on the manufacturing side, but also on the customer side, right? To make sure that we are developing really good products for our customers to use, we have to be intimately involved with the equipment. It's just like a chef who in their kitchen is trying to make an incredible dish. If you have a dull knife, you could do everything, you could source the best ingredients, you could have the best recipe, but if you're not properly prepping those ingredients, if you're not properly preparing that dish, it's ultimately not going to come out the way that you envision. And so for us, equipment is extremely important.
We recently visited Itaberco, the leader in artisan, shelf-stable flavors for desserts and beverages. We sat down with the owners Burge and Boris and dove into the story behind Itaberco and their passion for creating standout dessert experiences. We also sat down with Steve, their head pastry chef, and Alessandra, their sales and marketing manager, to share insights into the innovation and relationships that fuel Itaberco's success. Alessandra explains how their collaboration with Taylor isn't just about equipment. It's a partnership built on shared values and high standards, giving Itaberco the flexibility to develop unique, top-tier products for their customers.
At Itaberco, when we first meet or interact with customers, usually we're going to have a conversation that is around what their vision is for their concept or their soft serve program or frozen cocktail program. And it always starts with, what equipment are you using? The nice thing about Itaberco and Taylor's collaboration and partnership is that we know that we can explore a lot with our mix and still have the product come out 10 out of 10 every time in a Taylor soft serve unit.
The machine being consistent, always doing what it needs to do, then makes my creativity part of my job that much easier because I know it's a variable I don't have to worry about. Chefs love consistency. When I have consistent machine and then consistent ingredients, highest quality, best tasting, and now how can I just play with that?
We try to push the equipment to its limit, right? We need to make sure there's equipment that has the capability of working outside of just a fixed parameter. Soft serve, ice cream, gelato being a big portion of our business, we want to make sure that we have equipment that we can rely on because at the end of the day, the product will not perform if it's not being put through the right environment.
The relationship of trust that I've built with the products and the machine just then creates more confidence in my ability to create something new. It really helps me to sort of push my boundaries as a creator.
Boris always mentioned this to us, and I think it's a great analogy, and I might be stealing this from him, but he talks about our industry with an analogy to hardware and software, whereas as an ingredient company, we're providing a software, but we want to make sure that there's good hardware it's going on to, and vice versa. It's important for us to have the right hardware here in our facility, which is the Taylor equipment that we run for any one of our demos or projects. But we also want to train Taylor distributors and their salespeople as to the benefits of using a great quality product or a software that goes into their hardware.
At the end, that customer shouldn't be at the mercy of us as a software company, or at the mercy of the hardware. It's our job to put it that the customer, it is not losing time or money and everything else to have that issues and all that.
It's a big part of our collaboration. The distributor network has been incredible at making us aware of the quality of the equipment and how to use it properly. And it's nice having a wide range of equipment that we can choose from.
Taylor works with different companies. It's not just working exclusively with Itaberco, but we're very proud that they allowed us to partner up with them. It's been one of the best decisions we ever made.